Hi, Jerry from Comfort here to talk about Comfort's retractable patio awnings. Now, the deck craze in the 80s brought many decks to America, but for people that want that open feeling and you can't use your deck, the Comfort retractable awning is a perfect venue for you to have. Now, these awnings are custom made in width, and several maximum projections are available, anywhere from 4 feet out all the way out to just about 14 feet. You want the sun, you retract them back in with a push of a button. If it's a light rain out and you want to sit underneath it, you can extend these out. You can block the sun and the rain and make the conditions a lot better for you as you're sitting under them. Now, Comfort features Italian fabric on these that's called Para, and all of the stitching on the awning fabric itself is made of what they call tenera, which is actually a Teflon thread to hold everything together. These things are very, very durable. They're made to take the wind shear because the arms that retract out are actually aircraft aluminum, and they will actually take a wind shear of a foot bouncing up and down. Now, if the wind gets over 20 or 25 miles an hour, you're going to want to retract these back in. Most of the ones we do are motorized, where you just push a button and they come out. And they all come with what they call a manual override. Now, this one happens to be in the open position, but if the power ever went out and you needed to retract it back in, you slip it in the eye hook and you can move the awning anywhere you want. And hopefully this will stay in your garage and you'll never have to use it, because the motor is maintenance free and basically never wear out. Push them out, push them back in. It's a beautiful thing to create a living space that you wouldn't have on your deck otherwise. The other thing too is most of these go over a sliding glass door. Awnings are traditionally known to keep an area about 15 degrees cooler. So when you retract these out over your sliding glass door onto your deck, your dining room area or wherever that door is will stay about 15 degrees cooler. When you want the sun, retract them back in. You can stop them anywhere you want along the way. Thousands of patterns to choose from. People match them to their pool liners, their deck furniture, whatever makes them happy. Many different installations. We can put these on the roof. This happens to be a roof mount right here, showing to get them up nice and high. You can mount them under your soffit, and you can mount them on the wall. It depends on how much room we have to work with when we're putting them up. Once again, Comfort retractable awnings, that's your answer for extending your living space on a deck that you probably wouldn't use. And most importantly, Comfort measures, orders, and installs these using absolutely no subcontractors, so you can be sure of absolute perfect fit and finish when it comes to our labor installation.